if you are a school or a college student or someone who's preparing for a really tough competitive exam or an entrance level exam, then this video is made exactly for you and you've come to the right place. Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing very well. Today's video has been highly requested by my viewers in my DMs and in my comment section. I've got a lot of messages from people asking me to make a video on how to use the law of attraction to get the best possible results in your exams. I'm going to teach you a really nice manifestation technique which you can use to attract and manifest the kind of marks that you want in your exams. So if you are a school student or a college student or someone aspiring to clear a really difficult exam like an entrance test or a really competitive exam like CA or CMA or any kind of exam, then this video is exactly made for you. I am going to be teaching you a really good technique which I have personally used and I've also recommended to a friend of mine, and it really worked wonders for her. So I have a friend who was giving her CMA exam a couple of years back. Now she's of course cleared the exams with flying colors, but at that time she was just a student who was struggling to somehow clear these very tough examinations, and I told her, why don't you try this law of attraction technique? And I actually did this for her. It helped her gain the confidence that yes, she can manifest the exact kind of marks that she needs to pass her exams, and by some stroke of luck she did clear her exams by just a few marks here and there. So it was almost like a miracle that happened. Of course she worked very hard and she did her best. She prepared, she went for tuition, she did everything possible under the sun to clear those exams. But of course she used the law of attraction to manifest all of this, and somehow the universe conspired to bring all of this together and get her exactly what she wants. And now of course she is a successful CMA working in a very big MNC for the last few years, and she's doing very well for herself. So you can be rest assured that this is a tried and tested method and it'll really help you, and it's quite creative, so you will enjoy making it as well. So let's quickly begin the video. So like I told you, today's video is how you can use the law of attraction to manifest better marks in your examination or to manifest a certain score, or how you can succeed and pass in your exams with flying colors. At the end of the video, I also have an interesting channel update, so please watch the video till the end. So law of attraction isn't like some quick shortcut method where you will get everything you want and you don't have to work for it. You can just sit back, relax, and all the nice marks will come and fall on your lap. No, it does not work that way, so please don't be under that wrong impression. I've studied quite a bit and I know for a fact that clearing an exam is no joke. You have to work really hard for it. So obviously, don't be under the impression that you can just imagine something and you can make it happen. No, you have to sincerely work towards your goal. Only then you can make it happen. You have to put in the time, the effort in order to make it happen, and also use the law of attraction in manifesting those dreams. It's a combination of both these things. You have to use it simultaneously. If you are determined and you have the willpower to anyhow clear your exams, I am sure this method will work for you and you will definitely pass that exam. Of course, this applies in all aspects of your life, but today we'll be focusing only on the career and the marks perspective of it. So drum roll please. In today's video, I'm going to teach you all a method called the mock report card method. If you've seen my video on how you can attract your dream job, I tell you about a mock offer letter method. Similarly, this is a mock report card method. So the trick here is very simple. Whichever exam that you're planning to give, you go to Google, you download that report card and just make a little tweaks here and there using the power of photo editing. I use this app called Picasa. I know it's a little outdated app, but you can use any app of your choice provided it has the removing feature. All you have to do is download the report card, tweak the marks according to what you think is the ideal marks required for you to clear those exams, and you have to keep it in mind that this has to look as authentic and real as possible. So use the correct fonts, don't over edit, don't go overboard. If you guys want me to give you a short tutorial of how I do the whole photo editing bit, I can definitely do that for you. Let me know in the comment section below. So as I was saying, this report card that you've downloaded from Google will work like a template for you. So this report card is actually the kind of report card that you get when you put your roll number on the computer and you anxiously wait for your results to come. I'm talking about that kind of result, like an online result. Of course, during COVID times, you will get online results. So if you quickly search on Google Images, you will definitely find a template of your report cards. If you're not able to find the template for the exact examination that you are looking for, you can just take a general template of any report card or any mark sheet and just download it. Remember, this is just a representation of what your possible marks will look like. You just have to imagine that, okay, this is my real report card, these are my real results, and on the D-Day, when the results are supposed to come, this is what my marks are going to look like. I hope this is clear. If you're still confused, you know what to do. You have to go to the comment section and ask me, and I will definitely reply to you. Before you just jump the gun and decide to immediately start editing, take 5-10 minutes and actually think about what kind of marks do you want to manifest. At this point, don't over exaggerate the possibilities. Try to think in a practical, in a realistic way possible. What kind of marks can you actually get in your exams? What kind of marks can you actually achieve through these exams? What kind of marks are you actually capable of getting, and you think that you, for the hard work that you put in, you completely deserve these marks and you do deserve to pass these exams with these so and so numbers. Think of that, keep that in mind, and put those marks over there. Now, if you have prepared only 60 to 70% for your exams and you are going to put 100 on 100 in maths or any particular subject, that's not going to happen. Because even if that mark sheet is in front of you, but in your head you know that, this is just rubbish, it's not going to happen, you're not going to get the results. Okay? So please be realistic and practical and put the kind of marks that you think you deserve. I told my CMA friend also the same thing, and she thought for some time and actually only put the appropriate marks. So I made that mark sheet for her, and she used that as a wallpaper on her phone, and she kept looking at it, and every time she looked at it, she got this positive, optimistic feeling. Yes, I can manifest it, I can make this happen. So the marks that you put out there in your mark sheet is not just a visual goal, but also a visual representation of what your future will look like. Don't exaggerate your marks. Put only the marks that ought to be there in the report card. So like I told you, keep everything authentic and make sure that the report card is as authentically made as possible. So it looks realistic to you when you keep looking at it on your wall or on your vision board or in your phone. So after you finish making this report card, take a printout of this mock report card and put it in your room or in front of your study table or in a place where you can see it often. If you are someone who's a little self-conscious, you can also take this printout and put it in your diary. Or you can even use it as a wallpaper on your phone or on your laptop. So every time you open your device, this will actually be in front of you. Third thing, every time you see it, visualize yourself in that situation. What would you do when you get those marks? What would you be doing on your result day? On the D-Day, what exactly would you be doing? Would you see your results and immediately call a friend? Would you go run and tell your parents? Would you throw a party? Would you celebrate? What exactly will you be doing on that day? How would you be feeling? Just try to mimic that level of excitement and joy that you'll be feeling on the day when you get your results, and just feel it inside. And you don't have to feel embarrassed about this. This is a legit visualization technique which a lot of successful people have done in the past, and time is testimony to the fact that all these great people have got all the success they've always dreamt of having. Don't do anything for the sake of doing it, especially in the law of attraction. It's just pointless. It's just a waste of time. So do it very seriously, as if your life depends on it, as if this is the be all and end all, and you have to visualize this and you have to achieve this. You have to get that score. You have to clear those exams anyhow, by hook or crook. So for that, you need to prepare well and also use the law of attraction to your advantage. Additionally, you can also use a scripting technique in which you write things in the present tense. For example, I have scored 80 out of 100 in my accounts exam, or I have passed my CA exams with flying colors. You can write it in any format you want, provided you write it in present tense and also believe in the fact that you will manifest this anyhow. That belief has to be there, and that is like a key ingredient in this entire process. keep writing this and have this image of you passing and clearing those exams, doing very well in your exams, like a particular scene in the movie that really impacts you. How does that play in your mind? Similarly, this particular scenario in the future has to play in your mind like a movie. In the next video, I'll give you an interesting story of how I got my money back using the law of attraction, how I used this exact scripting technique in order to get my money back. An almost magical way, which was deemed impossible by some people on Quora. I used the scripting technique with my complete belief and I made it happen. I will be giving you a live proof of what I wrote in my diary and what exactly manifested. I have all the screenshots and I will be putting it for you. Now coming to my channel update. I have decided to change the name of my channel from Nandu Ki Pathshala to my own name. That is Nandita Vaidyanathan. I just got a feedback from someone saying Nandu Ki Pathshala is a little childish. Well, in retrospect, it is a little childish. But I always wanted to have a YouTube channel by my own name. So yeah, I took this as an opportunity and a green signal to just go ahead and change the name. And also a very important update, I have decided to niche down and specifically make videos only on self-improvement, personality development, motivation, law of attraction, and all of these things that comes under the self-growth category. So all of those old videos on my comedy skits, you won't be finding that anymore, and I won't be doing those videos, at least for now. I'll be focusing solely only on self-growth based videos. So I hope you guys are very happy about this update. I will be able to give my 101% only to this one particular niche, and that helps me from not getting distracted from my goal of helping all of you. If you have any doubts about the law of attraction or about any of my manifestation methods that I've mentioned, please let me know in the comments below and like this video. If you felt that this video was valuable to you in some way, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you next time. Bye.